You have to pick up her foot, I think. Here.
Stop complaining, please.
Yes, I'm getting some of the cheese.
You don't like your socks?
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What is it? What is it?
Walk. 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 Walk.
Come, come.
Walk.
A little early for that, Shane.
Walk. Look at the feet though. Walk.
The feet are going, but they're not walking.
Yay.
Oh!
Yay.
Hey! Do you need diaping?
Yay.
Daddy. Grandpa. It's 3:30. It's bottle time.
Bottle time.
Actually, it's a little early for bottle time.
Bottle time.
Watch, 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 watch.
Hi.
What
All right,
day is
Joe, it's
today?
diaper time. Did Daddy change your diaper? Oh, you did?
What day is today?
Joe, can you get me the diaper changing thing? The skip hop over there so that I can change Sadie's diaper? The changing pad?
No.
Hello?
No.
Hello. Who's this? Who's this?
That one right there, sweetie. Jojo.
Who's this?
Teddy.
Yep, right there. Look
That's
down.
Teddy?
You're stepping on it.
How come you have a pet raccoon?
Yes.
It's
Not that.
raccoon.
Teddy the raccoon.
No.
What do you mean no? Looks like a raccoon.
That's the present that
Joe.
Jim and Carrie got
Hey
you.
Joe, what is this? This a raccoon? Huh?
Mama, Dad.
It's with a giant grin at us. Yes, it was teasing. It was all teasing. So, this is the donut recipe from Chanukah Around the World. I brought
I was going to give
butters.
you that book, but then I decided it will stay here and
Define you.
you.
Huh. Thank you.
You're the one I was talking to. I mean, it's a kid's book, but
We're talking about
it
a lot of
has
laughs.
such nice recipes that I figured,
Cool.
and we can all look at it, and whoever
Want to chew on a
wants it first can have it or whatever.
Last weekend, and Aaron shared all his toys with you. Every single one.
Anybody else want to chew on a pineapple core?
If I were eating, I might.
You're fasting?
I
She's
just
working.
keep the bed cold, and I'm working.
Dad, pineapple core?
No, thank you.
Why are you filming this?
Just because I like to watch women work.
Okay, that's not an okay thing to say.
Yes, I know.
I know you
That
don't.
was a tease.
I know.
Meanwhile,
I just have an uncontrollable automatic response to things like that.
yes, the other Brooklyn contingent is about to arrive.
I'm good. Okay, this is a good thing. That's great.
Right, buddy?
They're both doing it.
Okay, even better.
We have any kind of nonsense here.
What is Aaron?
I'm having this.
This is an egg space too, so you can find where that goes.
It's a picture of
It's hard to describe.
Look for the color at the bottom, Aaron. You'll like it.
This?
You had it once a day.
It's a middle piece.
Okay, so
You have to look for the flat one. Look on the
Do you have it
front,
on
look
the
on the
rock?
side.
Either
That's
way.
a little one, so you need one that has.
I'll try a little
flat.
bit.
Yeah,
It smells good.
yeah, this is it.
Is this the middle one?
Yeah. This is the
Tastes like
edge.
medicine.
No, that's the
Tastes like
edge.
flowers.
Do you know what this is?
I don't blame you if you don't like it. Most people do.
Oh boy!
You know what he said?
Good job.
I said, I'll make you a black Russian because I don't. Let's have some first.
Anytime you get flat one, it goes on the edge.
Wow. Are you fingering it?
Hey, Dave.
Yeah, we have some Chanukah
When are you gonna
water.
drink a real drink, Dave? What age you have to hit before you have to drink a real
Drinking
drink?
118 proof stuff.
It's not about alcohol content. Come on.
Is that
It
flat?
tastes like flowers.
So Sadie is named after
Maybe when you hit 40.
and my mother's sister was named after Sadie as well. Yeah.
So who's named after Sadie?
So
You were the bartender, David?
Diane
far.
is my
I'll take over
grandmother's
being
cousin,
tonight.
right? I
Right.
think that's the way it was.
There.
And so your
Your
mother was also my grandmother.
Joe, how old are you now?
Three.
Good.
All right, blow them out.
Come on, get closer, blow hard.
Blow, blow, blow.
Oh, you did good. Oh,
Blow
One
hard.
more time.
Hey!